In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the WooCommerce cart icon in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a custom project, setting up a shop where direct purchases aren't the main focus, or you simply want a cleaner look for your site, this quick guide will walk you through the steps needed to achieve just that. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic of customizing your site happens. To get there, simply open your web browser and log into your WordPress site. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for all things WordPress. Now that you're in the dashboard, we'll move on to the next step, which involves accessing the customization options for your site. Look for the appearance section on the left-hand menu. Under this section, you'll see the option Customize. Click on it. This action will redirect you to a page where you can tailor many aspects of your site's look and feel, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on one specific area. Once in the Customize section, you'll need to navigate to the Additional CSS option. This is where you can add custom CSS codes that can override the default styling of your theme, including the visibility of the WooCommerce cart icon. For those who may not be familiar, CSS, or cascading style sheets, is a language used to describe how HTML elements should appear on your site. Don't worry if you're not highly experienced with coding, the step we're about to take is straightforward. Now onto the part where we actually hide the cart icon. In the additional CSS section, you'll be presented with a text area where you can type in or paste your CSS code. What you'll want to enter is a specific snippet of code designed to target the cart icon and make it invisible. The code you need is Woocommerce, a .cart-contents, display, none important. This piece of code specifically targets the class assigned to the WooCommerce cart contents link, essentially telling your browser not to display it at all. The important declaration is added to ensure that this rule takes precedence over any other styling rules that might be trying to display the icon. After entering the code, make sure to publish your changes by clicking on the Publish button at the top of the menu. This will apply the CSS to your live site, effectively hiding the WooCommerce cart icon from view. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a bit of code, you've successfully hidden the WooCommerce cart icon from your site. This tweak can help streamline your site's appearance, focus your visitors' attention on other elements, or ensure a smoother experience for sites that don't rely on immediate cart access. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, while the change should be immediate if you don't see it reflected right away, try clearing your site's cache or checking the site in a private browsing window. Browser caching can sometimes delay the appearance of your changes. Also, remember that this change will apply site-wide. If there's ever a case where you want the cart icon to reappear, simply remove or comment out the CSS code you added. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize your WooCommerce store. By following these steps, you've taken one more step towards tailoring your site to fit your vision perfectly. Whether you're building a site for yourself or helping a client, these kinds of customizations can make all the difference in creating a unique and focused online presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Happy customizing and see you in the next video.